guys, today I'm walking on the Denton. It's a Denton Street. It's a connecting road between a small street between Victoria Park and Pharmacy. It's in East York. So usually daytime is like a quiet street, but morning and afternoon is busy. Here you can see the huge buildings also. Here's in this area, usually Bengali, Indian and Pakistani peoples, they live in these buildings. That's Asian community. So here's on these streets beautiful parks, but right now it's winter, so everything is like quiet because of winter. No more activities because it's so cold. So we are walking down to Victoria Park. Seeing these buildings. It looks more beautiful in summer when it's green everywhere. Still it's beautiful. People are living here around houses, buildings. Here's close we have subway too. This Victoria Park subway behind there. It's windy. It's more cold. It's sunny but still windy, cold. It feels like -7. See this beautiful view. Squirrels, usually they eat peanut, nut. Oh, trying to climb on the tree. Oh, one is here. Hello. Hi. Sorry, I don't have nut. Maybe. Oh, he find one. Yeah. Hello. Beautiful sunny view also. It's sunny but it's still very cold. So right now we are nearby Danforth and Victoria Park.